Hello everyone, welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney and today we are going to be doing some scratch off challenges to save some monies. Oops. Happy Wednesday everyone. Okay, I forgot what we have here. Let's do a quick count. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. And count the ones real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I think I missed one because I think this is 50. But anyways, we have, what is that? That doesn't seem right. $95? Okay, well, we have this money to play with today. Okay, so first we have January's Nom Nom Nation. This was in my Etsy store and I have a February one and I'm working on a March one, but my Etsy store is closed right now. I'm just trying to get caught up with life right now, and I'll open it again in a couple weeks probably. All right, so we have $8, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna scratch off one more because we're kind of behind and need to get this challenge done. Okay, so that's 5. Let's put these 5s back and grab a 10. Okay. How are you guys doing? How's your week been so far? I hope everyone is doing great. Hope everyone's staying happy and healthy. Okay, we have 50, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78. $78 here, so we have a little ways left to go. This saves $100 total, so almost done with that one. Okay, next is the scary one. This one always gives me so much anxiety because it's high numbers, y'all, and oh, okay, 18. That's actually not as bad as I was thinking. We can do that today. 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so this saves like $300 in the end. And so currently, let me get this organized here. We have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and so we took $100 out of this already once we hit the 100 mark. So once we hit the second 100 mark, we will take that back to the bank. Oh, and this is by Emily Design. I don't know that she has a YouTube channel, but she has an Etsy store. Okay, this is from my friend Vicky Thinks. She sent this to me in some Happy Mail. So she is starting to sell physical products in her Ko-fi store. So excited. We're gonna roll and see which one we're gonna scratch. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, $3. Not bad. Thank you, Vicky. This is so cute. It says, "Into the rainbow I go to lose my mind and find my soul." I love that. All right, so $3 going in here. First scratch off with that one. Okay, next we have Blackjack by Save with Judy. This is a fun little game. You scratch your side and then you scratch the dealer side, and whichever card is higher, you save that amount. So I'm gonna roll and see which one I'm scratching today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I feel like we're not gonna win this one, maybe. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, dealer wins. That's a 7. but really we win because we're saving money. So let's see, $7 we're saving. And so for this one right now, we have $27. Okay, so let's put this one away. Oh, I got this new binder, guys, from Amazon. I forgot to tell you. So I have 2 A5s now. The other one just was not holding all the things that I wanted it to have, so had to get a new one. But this was, I think, like maybe $11, so not that expensive, really. Okay, this is from What's Poppin' Sunshine, and this is, I'm a member on her Ko-fi, and so, actually, so this was her February member design. This Pooh Bear and this one as well. Very cute. And I could have added scratch-offs, but I'm trying to save my scratch-offs for like the things that I send out to people. So let's see which one we're saving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $3. Okay. Not too bad. 1, 2, 3. So we will do this one, and then when this one is done, we'll start the next one. Okay, next we have this Plan and Paper Designs. It's a sticker one. And let's find one that we can do today. Actually, maybe, I don't know. The indecision right now is taking me out. So 1, 2, 3, or let's do 7. H&M. H&M. Hamburger, no. Hot dog and mustard. That's gotta be it. $7. So cute. Look at them. Cute little guys. 5, 6, 7. Okay, we'll come back if we have extra cash at the end. But for now we have 10, 15, 20, 21, 22. All right. So next we have this. This was I think it was a freebie by Craft Co Budgets. And I did add my own stickers to this one. This was like a while ago and it's just been in my binder. So we're scratching the second one. And we're saving $2. Okay. Nice. So go grab that from her Ko-fi. Very cute. Okay, this one is a Valentine scratch off that I made. It was in my Etsy, but like I said, my Etsy is closed right now. 3, 4, 5. I am gonna open it back up in a couple weeks. I'm working on getting some new stuff created for it. So I'll have some of the stuff that I had before, like my holiday envelopes, and maybe some of the scratch offs. But I want to switch it up. And so yeah, we'll see. I probably won't do the Valentine's Day ones anymore since it's going to be past Valentine's Day soon. Okay, next we have this one by Valentine Designs. I got this in some mail I ordered from her shop, and I just haven't had a chance to use it yet. So 1, 2, 3. And that's $4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, very cute. And on the back it has like a color one, so that'll be fun to do. All right, next we have this Happy Valentine's Day by Dawn's Sunrise Budgeting. And it's a save 30. You could add your own scratch offs if you want to. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do this one for $3. One, 2, 3. Okay, so go grab this from Dawn's Ko-fi. This was a freebie, so you can get it and play along and save some money. right, this is April's fresh start. My budget is my Valentine. And we're gonna save this one, number 4 here. Just gonna color in the 4 really badly. But that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm just gonna try to get through all of these and then we'll see what we have left at the end. Okay, so this one is by Vicky Thinks. This is her freebie for hitting 400 subscribers. Yay, so excited for her. And so we're gonna do this, number 5 right here. All right, we'll just grab a 5 and throw that in there. This is the first time doing this one, obviously, so that's all we have in there for now. Okay, let's see. Do I even have that anymore? I don't. Okay. We are gonna play some Wasabi, guys, and I think I'm gonna take this one out and just be done with this. This was a little game that I played, but it honestly it doesn't really fit my budget. So I played it once, it was fun, and we're just gonna be done with it, I think. Okay, so Wasabi. We've played this before. Last week we got our first Wasabi. It was very exciting. Aria was with me. She was my good luck charm. She rolled a Wasabi for us. So let's see if we can do that again. And you know what? I'm gonna take this page out because I always have to look back and remind myself what the things are. Okay. All right, so we're gonna save the aerials here. If you guys want this game, it's in my Ko-fi for free. Okay, let's see if we can get a full house, which would be, I think, the sushi boat. Nope. Okay, so let's see. We got to do the sampler then, I guess. There we go. All right, let's try again. Okay, let's try again for a full house, I guess. One more, come on. Nope, we're not gonna do it today, guys. Not today. Okay, so let's scratch off the Wasabi. Let's see if we can get something else. I keep getting so close to this, y'all. It's just not wanting to give me that third one. Oops. What is it, Bits? Hey, we got a Rapunzel. So that is sushi boat. So we're gonna save 4 with that. All right, we can keep going. Let's save the Tianas. Okay, we got 3 of a kind, or a maki roll. All right, so maki roll, save $2. Let's save Snow White. Amazing. 4 matching icons. That's a nigiri stack. Okay. So we already scratched the Wasabi, so we can't use it even if we got it. Okay, last chance is for a rainbow roll, which is 5 unique icons. So we have Snow White, Rapunzel, Ariel. We need these to be anything else. You guys, we did it. Amazing. Okay, so that's 5. So 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Awesome. That was so fun. We did so well. We just didn't get a Wasabi this time, but that's okay. Okay, so like I said, this is available in my Ko-fi if you would like to grab it. It's really fun. I enjoy playing it. Okay, so we have 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What am I doing? 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $38. Awesome. Okay. I finally got my medicine today, guys. So that is amazing. I have steroids in my system that will hopefully be helping me feel better. Oops, dropped my scratcher. And so, okay, so this is, we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7 here. And I downloaded this from Norellis Budgets. This is her Saving for My Dreams. I didn't get every page, but I did do a few of them. And I kind of wanted to start saving with this. And I think I want this to be for like month ahead eventually. So that's what we're gonna do with the remainder of this money. And I'll get an envelope for it in a minute. So we're gonna make each of these handbags $5. Just get my markers out here. Okay, so if each one of these is 5, then we have 70. So we'll save $70 with this. Okay, we're gonna go in with this one first. I have never been a huge handbag person. I usually just take like my little wallet with me wherever I go. And I don't know, I've tried to be a handbag girl, but I just, I don't know, it's just not my vibe, I guess. I am not coloring this very well. I'm so sorry. Okay, we're gonna go in with okay, that is the worst coloring I've ever done, I think. Okay, but anyways, we're saving $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with that. Okay, then this one is Be the Boss of Your Finances. And actually, let's do let's do the rainy day one. So we're gonna make each raindrop $2. I'll figure out how much it saves. Okay, so we are gonna color in one little raindrop today. So this is in her Ko-fi, so you can go grab it if you want. And I think it also comes with like the dashboards so that you can put them in your binders. And it comes with like a title page as well. So yeah, go grab this, guys, from Norellis Budgets. All right, so that is it, guys, for this video today. I hope y'all have a great rest of your week. We are halfway through, so, you know, hang in there. I don't know what my next video will be. I think I want to do another tutorial on how to use the free version of Canva and how you can create challenges with just the free version. So we'll see if I can get that video made this week, but if not, I'll see you on Friday for Freebie Friday. All right, guys, see ya, bye.